In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log out of Telegram on other devices. If you've ever signed into Telegram on a shared computer or an old laptop and forgot to log out, this walkthrough will help you clean that up safely. We'll do this using Telegram Desktop or Telegram Web, since the process is quick and looks very similar in both. Start by opening Telegram Desktop on your computer, or go to Telegram Web in your browser and sign in if you aren't already. Once you're in, look toward the top left corner for the menu icon. It usually looks like 3 horizontal lines. Click that to open the main menu. If your window is very narrow, the icon might be tucked in tighter, but it will still be at the top left. From the menu, click Settings. This takes you to your account controls. Inside Settings, find the section labeled Devices or Active Sessions. The exact wording can vary slightly depending on your version, but both mean the same thing. Click it to open your session list. Here, you'll see every device that's currently logged into your Telegram account. The list typically includes details like the platform and the last active time, which can help you recognize what's yours and spot anything that looks unfamiliar. Take a moment to scan the entries and identify the devices you want to remove. If you want to log out a single device, click the session you want to end, then choose Terminate Session. That device will be signed out immediately, and it will no longer have access to your messages until someone signs in again on that device. This is helpful if you only need to remove 1 or 2 sessions while keeping others active. If you'd prefer a clean slate, choose Terminate All Other Sessions. This option signs out every session except for the one you're using right now. It's a quick way to secure your account across the board, especially if you're unsure which devices are still logged in. Don't worry, the current session stays active, so you can continue using Telegram without interruption. After you've finished, it's a good habit to revisit this Devices or Active Sessions section occasionally to review what's signed in. Keeping an eye on your session list is an easy way to maintain control of your account and ensure only your trusted devices have access. That's it. You've learned how to log out of Telegram on other devices using the built-in session controls, either one by one or all at once, except your current session.